Hi, I'm Orion. I have a bit of a strange tale to talk about. Um, so these headphones, I've had them for a while. But I've just brought them back home from Sheffield, and I've also brought back my audio interface, so I can do streams again. Look, oh my god, ah. So yeah, but this isn't about that. It's all about how I'm actually an idiot. So when I got things set up, I realised, these headphones don't sound right. It sounds like the mono can only hear in the channel from one ear, but in both ears. And I tried my hardest to troubleshoot it. I looked everywhere for a GUI solution because I thought it would have been a Linux issue. Pleased to report it wasn't. And then it turned out, yeah, I tried everything. Every little fix I could do, I was like, I'm sure I had to do something on Windows with the channels. So I tried that. Did not work. I tried everything. I even asked on Reddit, because asking on Reddit, there's always someone happy to help, and they said all the exact same things, and I was like, nope, done that, nope, done that. And then I realised, just double checked all the connections, and I realised that the connector on the Sennheiser HD 560Ss, the connector is such a pain in the arse, and it turns out that I hadn't connected it properly. So I had to unplug it and plug it back in. And then I tried it, and it worked. I felt like such an idiot. And I wanted to share this story with you. Sometimes the solutions are just unplugging it and plugging it back in. Which, oh my god, that feels like such an IT guy thing to say. But yeah, I have never felt this much of an idiot before. But it's working now, it's fine. Everything, I can listen to music and it not feel weird. So yeah, I've been Orion, signing out.